Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real, peanut butter bars. This recipe never gets old. This is a no-bake recipe. Baby boys still request this the day before a game, so I'm making some before their game this week. 1 stick of butter melted. And while that butter's melting, you need 2 cups of peanut butter. You can use crunchy or creamy. I do recommend Peter Pan. For some reason, the recipe turns out better with Peter Pan peanut butter. Let me get that measured up. We'll spray the inside of that, make it a little easier to clean up. Two cups of peanut butter, and it looks like I'm gonna have just that right amount, hopefully. I have made these for years, started making them when the kids were little, and then as they started playing sports, that's what I made for all the sports teams, and everybody loves them. Super, super high in protein and sugar, but they are so good. You'll need a 13 by 9 inch pan. And like I said, these are no bake, so easy, easy, easy. One more. Okay, 2 cups. I'm gonna add that to the almost completely melted butter. A little extra cleanup there. Okay, 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, and I'll probably have just enough, and 2 cups of powdered sugar. Yep, just had enough. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let me repeat it. It's 2 cups of peanut butter, 1 stick of margarine, 1 stick of butter melted, 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I mix with my hands. It's just easier that way. I added my vanilla. Just a teaspoon. See if I can do this one-handed. Yep. Mix it together. Squeeze it in between your fingers. Get all the dry incorporated with the peanut butter and the butter. Oh, these are going to be good consistency too. Okay, once you get them all incorporated, you want to push it down in your pan And then you're gonna cut them into squares like brownies. Push them down evenly. Cut them into squares and send them with your kid to the football team. That's what I'm doing with mine. Great for a snack, pre-game snack. Everybody loves them. McLeansville School peanut butter bars are done. Give it a try, y'all. You will not be sorry. See ya. Oh, and go Deeks.